Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh, your CAD resource. In today's video, we're looking at the calculation of area for triangles. So on the screen, we have four triangles, and we'll be showing you today how to calculate area for these four triangles. All right, so the first thing I want to introduce to you is the formula for the area for a triangle, right? So this is a standard formula in math. All right, so the area So the area is equal to the base times the height. All right, and this answer is divided by 2. All right, so this is the formula for the area of triangle. So to find the area of triangles, the formula is area is equal to the base times the height. All right, so let's look at question 1. The base would be 20, so this is a base, right? And then the height would be this distance. So this is h. All right, so we're going to write the formula. So A area is equal to the base times the height. All right, divided by 2. Okay, so we put another equal sign here. So this would be, the base would be 20. The height would be what? 30. Right? And this will be divided by 2. Okay? So 0 times 0 is 0. Right? 3 times 0 is 0. And 3 times 2 is 6. So you're supposed to get 600. All right? So if you work out, we have the 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6 divided by 2. And this will be equal to 300. The units was in millimeters. Remember, this is B. Units was in millimeters, so we're to get back millimeter squared. All right. So this is the answer. Okay. All right. This is the answer for 1. All right. Let us look at 2 now. We need the height, right? So I'm gonna draw in the height here. All right. And this would be 3 centimeters. All right. So again, the area we already have a formula at the top, so we can keep it, right? So this would be, the base would be 2. This is the base. So B times H. So put an equal sign here, divided by 2. So this is 2 times 3 divided by 2. So this will be equal to 3 centimeter, because that's the unit, centimeter squared, right? So what this is saying is that the area covered by the triangle is equal to 3 centimeter squared. All right, good. So that's the answer. All right, now let me show you how they derive the formula for the triangle. Now, here we have a triangle, right? And this triangle will be coming from a rectangle, right? The area for a rectangle is B, the base, times the height. And because the triangle is half of the rectangle, that is why divided by 2. So that is how the formula comes about. So if you're in an exam and you don't remember the formula, remember the formula for rectangle is base times height, and because the triangle is half of the rectangle, you divide it by 2. Okay, let us calculate question 3 now. So here again, the area is equal to the base times the height divided by 2. Or what we're going to do is going to plug in the numbers here. So the base is 40 meters. So this is the base. And the height is 20 meters. So this is h. All right. The 25 meter and the 28 meter is not applicable for the formula that we are calculating the area of the triangle, right? So those numbers, you can ignore those numbers because they're not helping us to calculate the area for the triangle. All right. So we put an equal sign here, and the base is what? 40. We're just plugging in the numbers. 40 times h, which is 20. Draw the line, divide by 20. I mean, divide by 2, sorry. Now, what we can do, 2 can go into this, and this will be 10. So 40 times 10 is 400. 400. And the units is meter, so it's meter square. Whenever you're working out the area, you always get squared. All right, good. Let us do this one now. So the area, number 4, the area is equal to the base times the height, always divided by 2. So the base is 2. Now the questions 1, 2, and 3, they are in metric measurements. So the first one is in millimeters, the second one is in centimeters, and the third question, the measurements is in meters. So these first 3 questions, they're metric measurements. Well, number 4, I wanted to show you how to work out the imperial measurement. So this measurement is given in feet, right? So the abbreviation for FT, FT is the abbreviation for feet, FEET. All right, so that's a measurement. So 12 inches make 1 foot. What we're saying for the base, we have 2 feet. All right, so the base is 2, and where would be the height? Right here. All right. So we can write equal here, right? We draw a line. So the base is 2 and the height is 3. Yes. And we divide it by the constant 2. All right. So when we come here, 3 times 2 is 6. And we have the division 2 there. So therefore, this answer is equal to 3 feet, because we're given in feet, squared. We always get a square root sign when we are working out the area. So this is the answer for number 4. This is the answer for number 3. This is the answer for number 2. 3 centimeters squared. This is the answer for question 1. So in today's video, we looked at how we derive the formula for a triangle. So we have a rectangle, and we know that a rectangle, the area is the base times the height, and because the triangle will divide the rectangle in 2 equal parts, we divide the base times h times 2. So we derive the formula for you, and we showed you how to calculate the area for 3 triangles which given measurements was in metric. The first one was in millimeters. The second one, the measurement was in centimeters. The third one, the measurement was in meters. And the fourth question, the measurement was given in imperial measurements, and the unit of measurement was feet. So the answer for 4 would be 3 feet squared. Okay? Now, if you can see the square, this is squared. All right, so this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how you calculate the area for given triangles. We're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. In the next video, we'll be looking at the calculation of the area for circles. Please take care until then. Bye.